You would also likely see large moves down across other markets, including the stock market here in the U.S. and other jurisdictions. One thing I will say that was interesting was the Bank of Australia did raise interest rates 25 basis points. So, also looking at Europe, I think Europe's about to be in some big trouble. The energy costs there in Europe are starting to skyrocket pretty significantly. We saw oil up over 110 today here in the U.S. Natural gas hasn't jumped as much as I thought it would, but it's definitely coming. And in Europe, natural gas and the energy costs there, since they're not getting it from Russia and they're not going to change the sanctions, it's going to become much more expensive. So you're also going to see things start to break in their economy. And it will move quickly. As soon as we start to see the credit crisis happen, where things start to lock up, you'll hear about it a little bit on Twitter, most likely, and then you'll start to see things that are actually happening in our economy here in the U.S. So, those are the next kind of 2 or 3 things that I'd be watching for, and the FX market. There's going to be a huge trade volume between people liquidating positions in other markets, selling those back into dollars or euros, and then rushing to pay back their loans in yen. Volatility in the FX market, and that's what Japan's already talked about, and they are planning to step in to mitigate volatility in the FX market when that ensues.